Something is fishy here. If only you were a beautiful girl.
What if?
Huh? What's going on there? Whoa! I found Nemo! The gorgeous mermaid! Hey, girl!
Hello! What? I'm not cute enough! Oh, is this a treasure box? Oh... What do you think? I'm beautiful? My pearly whites? Ah! Even my reflection ran off. I'll change myself. So... Ooh, wow! Poseidon's beard! Let's try that out! Smile for the camera! oh no! Oh, here I come! Wow! Ouch! Oh, here it is! I can see it! Soon you'll be home! I'll save you, little one! Got it! Shh! Say, they really feel like pearls now! Done! I'm ready to conquer the land! Wait a sec! What's this? This is not a magic trick, guys! Ow! Oh, how did you get there? Who ordered a sea salad? You, come with me. Huh? What? It's a sign from Poseidon. That's what I need. Time to search for a treasure. Ew. This is mine? Better. Was that a little too on the nose? Fishing for some green again. Oh, yikes. Oh no. Oh, Timmy. Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you say? A kiss? Ouch. Oh, not again. Oh, come with me. Oh, time to cut some seaweed. Oh, ow. Let's try again. This is a wavy for sure. I'm done. So clean. Wow. But how about that? I'm challenging Jason Momoa's beard. So cool. I'm beautiful. Yay! Ouch! Oh my! Oh, is that a Great Barrier Reef? I have to do it. No, I need a better plan. That's right. Yay! Let's work some magic with that cream. Maybe I'll need buckets of that. Ooh. Now for the razor. Be careful, it's very sharp. Done! Yay! It filled the rhythm of the sea. And your face? I even can pick and choose. Help me decide. Oh, we have a winner! Let's do it face to face. Let's start. This is not creepy at all. Ready for the big reveal. Oh, the queen of the seas and the queen of TikTok. That's me. I need a new hairstyle. I think I got a plan. Oh no! Gotta act fast. I'll fix it. Sounds easier than it is. It doesn't work. Oh, I need a new plan. I need a new plan.
Chloe!
What are you doing here?
Do you need this hairspray?
What? Oh, thank you.
Bye!
Let's see. Oh, pop. Okay. Nice. Ouch. What now? Huh? Yeah. Shine bright like an anglerfish. It's a dipsy cover of a famous song. I'm going to be a princess with just a few clicks. Oh yes, Queen. Bye-bye. Oh. Wait, I'm a part of the Davy Jones crew. Ah! I have to fix it. Huh? Oh no, instincts. You won't beat me. Bingo! It works like magic. Am I a genius or what? Don't answer that. Ew. Blah. What is this smell? Oh, I may have a slight body hair problem. Ew. I'll fix it. This is the ASMR version of the video. Please sit back and enjoy the show. I will have the perfect legs. I mean tail. It's working. It's working. Done. This little guys. I'll catch you. Clean off. You? Come with me too. I'm getting good at this. Ew. Bye-bye, my friends. I'm ready. I'm awesome. The back of the ship is locking.
Chloe, I got the buns for you, hon.
Huh? Okay. Wow. Feeling a bit like a fish out of water. I'm coming. Sorry.
I said I got the buns for you, hon.
Oh. What? Let's give it a try, shall we? Yeah. Let's figure out. Boom. So you can't go wrong with adding glitter. Yeah. Piece by piece. Shake it, little fishy. Done. Wait, I want this. Wow! Let me. This is how you wear them? Yay! What? I know what to do. Yep, it's that easy, little mermaid. That's better. Ew. They can use some work. Ew. I need to wash my feet. How conveniently placed, huh? Scrub it like your life depends on it. Reminds me of walking on the seashells at home or swimming on them, actually. Now let's wash it away. I could use my arms to clean them better, but who uses their arms anyways? Yay! So clean! Next! Boom! Projectors of sea and skies, grant me your power and my enemy's demise. I give you my salute and pray to you that I look cute. Yay, prayer answered!
Now's the moment to catch that annoying fish. Here I come. Steady, steady, and...
Hey, land boy.
You're so beautiful. Come closer.
Did you catch feelings?